أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على خاتم النبيين وبعد Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In this video I want to tell you two types of houses, two types of residences which have come in the verses of the Holy Quran. So please listen to the verses first in Arabic and then their English translation. The verses are verse number 11, from verse number 11 up to 16 of Surah Al-Furqan. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم بل كذبوا بالساعة وأعتدنا لمن كذب بالساعة سعيرا إذا رأتهم من مكان بعيد سمعوا لها تغيظا وزفيرا وإذا ألقوا منها مكانا ضيقا مقرنين دعوا هنالك ثبورا لا تدعوا اليوم ثبورا واحدا وادعوا ثبورا كثيرا قل أذلك خير أم جنة الخلد التي وعد المتقون كانت لهم جزاء ومصيرا لهم فيها ما يشاءون خالدين كان على ربك وعدا مسؤولا. And the translation is: the fact of the matter is that these people have denied the hour. The hour means the hour of the day of judgment. And for the one who denies the coming of the hour, we have prepared a blazing fire. When it sees them from a distant place, they will hear the sounds of its raging and roaring. That means the Jahannam, the hell. The hell will see those people, the dwellers of hell, from a distant place, and the hell will start roaring and raging, and the sounds of its raging and roaring will be heard by these people. And when they are chained together and flung into a narrow space therein, they will begin to call for death. And it will be said to them, do not call for one death today, but call for many deaths. The people in hell, they will be calling for death. But death will not come to them. They will not be living and they will not be dying. They will be the people in terrible pain and punishment in between death and life. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala protect us. Then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says to Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, ask them, is this fire better or the everlasting garden which has been promised to the God-fearing righteous people, which will be the recompense of their good deeds and the final destination of their journey, wherein they will get everything they desire and wherein they will dwell forever. This is a promise which your Lord has taken upon himself to fulfill. Sadaqallahul Azim. Quran is the word of Allah. Sadaqallahul Azim. So, respected brothers and sisters, think now. Don't close your eyes to the Holy Quran, because in the Holy Quran you will learn about the truth, about the fact which we all are going to face. So keeping eyes closed from that fact is not wisdom. That is an action of stupidity. Because those who keep their eyes closed from the Holy Quran, they are deceiving themselves. Because surely, certainly a time is coming when then people will regret. The people will regret. Why didn't they open the Holy Quran? Why they didn't try to understand it? Why didn't they try to know about all that truth which we are going to face? We'll be going step by step to that place. We'll be crossing that place step by step. And the final destination for the God-fearing righteous will be paradise. Very good place. And the final destination for wrong unbelievers and wrongdoers will be hell, which is a very bad place to live. So please try to understand and choose the right place for you, and try to read the Holy Quran, understand it, and follow it in accordance with the final Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make us righteous, God-fearing people. Ameen. And may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala take us to paradise and protect us from hell. Ameen. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun wa salamun ala al-mursaleen. Walhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammad. كما صليت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد.